So I was having a think about this amplifier since I uploaded it, the last video, about 3 hours ago, and I was connecting my two power supplies in parallel, thinking it was going to draw more than the 5 amps that you get on each power supply. But it only drew just over 2 amps, I think it was. So really I could have connected them in series and got the voltage higher, up to 40 volts. So that's what I'm going to do, and now see what it produces. See if we get anywhere near the 300 watts it's supposed to produce. So what do I do now? I turn on my power supplies. Right, so now we look at the meter, and I stick my meter probes on the amplifier. I'm getting 40.8 watts, but that will drop a bit when it's loaded. So I'll turn my signal on. And I've got a wire in the way, but I'm getting 25 volts RMS, and on my power supply I'm drawing 4.7 amps at 40 something volts, roughly 40 volts. Now if we go up to the audio analyzer, and just a minute, I need to just adjust that. No, not that one, amplitude. That's clipping, yeah. That's clipping. Okay. So, audio analyzer is at 3 watts at 4 ohms, 160 watts. So, the conclusion is the Chinese are lying about this amplifier. It cannot produce 300 watts a channel, but I always suspect them of overrating these things. Still, 160 watts per channel on a little board like this is still pretty impressive. And the difference between 160 watts and 300 watts is really negligible. It's less than 3 dB. In theory, you wouldn't even notice that in practice. So that's just a quick update on this board. It's still quite a decent thing for what it is, I think. Anyway, my ramblings are over. Bye for now.